So it's spring in Cleveland and we don't know what to expect on marathon day. Hopefully it'll be nice and sunny and it may be warmer than we want for a good run. Signs that you're overheated are important to watch out for, such as fatigue, lightheadedness, dizziness, certainly thirst, and also sort of weakness. If you have any mental status changes, which sometimes are hard for you to know yourself, but if you're swaggering side to side, or if you're a little bit waving in and out or getting certainly emotional, those are signs for much more severe heat exhaustion. A headache usually is in the earlier stages as well. Should those happen, you definitely want to stop, cool yourself off, maybe even pouring cold water over your head or getting an ice bag to put on the back of your neck, and let those symptoms resolve a little before continuing on. If they progress, then you definitely need to go to the medical tent. Even if after the race you feel very out of it, a little fatigued, very thirsty, headache, it's something to be very worried about, and make sure you go back and take a cool bath or come into the medical tent just to be checked out. It's better to be safe than sorry, and we really try to aggressively treat heat illnesses so that we avoid some of the late-term consequences that can happen from overheat and heat exhaustion, which can include devastating kidney, liver, heart, and all organ difficulties and failure at the worst case. In terms of the opposite, if it turns out to be a cold day like last year, it's really important to layer and dress well, particularly if the weather is going to have some rain. You want to wear clothes that are going to be comfortable if they get wet, that they don't cause chafing. You may even consider wearing a breathable rain slicker, so in case the weather does start raining, or a wind blocker, a windbreaker of some sort. Because generally if you get cold, your muscles get tight and you're more injury prone. So really making sure that you are well maintaining the natural heat in your body and not overheating. So wearing clothes that breathe is important. You don't want to put on something that is just a plastic slicker or even a plastic bag that holds your heat in, because then on a cold day you might overheat.